Hello, welcome back to Move365. If you're watching on Instagram, remember to click the link for the full-length video on YouTube, or just go across to YouTube and search Move365. I've been playing some tennis tonight, and I just wanted to show you a little bit of post-exercise warm-down, little stretch for legs using foam rolls. Foam rollers are great little self-massage, self-stretch devices. I've got two types here to show you. The sort of full-length 90 centimeter long version, which is just a solid polystyrene foam, or one of these slightly mini grid rollers, which is full of these little knobbly bobbly bits that perhaps give it just a different texture to get into some of those little myofascial areas and strip them down, stretch them out. Probably a little bit more brutal, this version. You can get them in different densities as well. This one's a sort of medium density foam, and they're easily available online. So what are we going to do with them today? We are going to strip out ITBs, hamstrings, quads and calves. I'm going to start with the calf, my least favourite. So you would simply place one foot on top of the other and roll from one end of the muscle to the other, finding those little tight, tender, knotted areas of the muscle where you might linger for a masochistic moment. You can just roll a little bit, externally rotate the leg, get onto the lateral side, the outside of the calf muscle, or roll to the inside, get onto the medial aspect of the muscle, all the way along. You can come up onto the hamstring, just again stretching along the length of that muscle, rolling along the length of the muscle, just noting where you find the tender spots, and maybe just spending a little bit of time rocking backward and forward over those tender areas, just feeling them melt away, just releasing a little bit. You can turn to one side, bring top leg over, so you're basically putting your body weight on the foam roll, on your non-rolling foot and on your elbow, and depending on how much pressure you put into the foot and the elbow to lift you off the foam roll, that'll determine how much pressure you're putting through the foam roll and into the muscle. I'm fairly familiar with this, done it a bit, and so I can take a reasonable amount of pressure through the muscle, just rolling again from around the hip, top of the pelvis, all the way down just above the knee, finding any little tender areas and letting them melt away. You can roll all the way onto your quadricep muscle, again just rolling from the top to the bottom of that muscle group. It's a very successful way to strip the muscle down, relax the muscle, give yourself a little self-sports massage. That's one leg. Repeat on the other leg. Comments, questions, write them in below. Hope that helps. We're here every day, bringing you better health through good movement.